Love is bloom a bustling college campus. The sun is shining and students are going their collage.
Meet Lily, a vivacious and talented artist with a passion for sketching. She notices a boy named Alex, a charming and charismatic musician, playing his guitar under a tree. Lily can't get Alex out of her mind. She starts sketching him during her art class, creating a beautiful illustration that captures his essence. Lily gathers the courage to approach Alex and shows him the sketch. He is genuinely touched and impressed by her talent. They strike up a conversation, discovering their shared interests in art and music. Lily and Alex go on their first date, bonding over coffee and their dreams. Lily continues sketching moments of their date. Lily and Alex's relationship blossoms. They attend each other's performances, share laughter, and support each other's dreams. Lily keeps adding sketches to a scrapbook, documenting their journey. One day, Alex surprises Lily by setting up a small stage under the tree where they first met. He dedicates a song to her expressing his love. Lily is overwhelmed with emotion, realizing how much he means to her. Lily and Alex collaborate on a project, combining her art and his music. They create something truly magical that reflects their deep connection. In a heartfelt moment, Alex proposes to Lily. She joyfully accepts, and they share a sweet kiss in the rain. Lily and Alex tie the knot in a beautiful ceremony, surrounded by friends and family. The sketches from Lily's scrapbook are displayed, showcasing their love story.